When the waters collide, legends come to life. One world fights for freedom, the other for power. But in the seas, there's no place for the weak. Heroes of the seas, from different worlds, have met to prove who is worthy to rule. When the greatest swordsmen clash, every strike becomes a legend. When ships converge, the battle becomes epic. But only the strongest rule the seas. The final battle will decide the fate of the seas. Who will become the king of the oceans? Two legends, one story. Who will win? The choice is yours.